my pleasure to introduce two speakers today for this session. First, Carl Moberg, who is the CTO and co-founder of Avassa in Sweden, dedicated to delivering distributed edge control plane products. Carl has spent many years solving for automation and orchestration. And in fact, he has a lot of experience. He started building customer service platforms way back when ISPs used dial-up for online services. So a total expert in the field. Now he's focusing on making multi-vendor networks programmable through model-driven architectures. So great software solution. Second speaker is Zoie Rittling. It's a Vermont-based business development manager at OnLogic, the second company, specializing in industrial computer hardware specifically. Her expertise is in consultative sales, which she explained to me earlier in the day, and I think it's a great idea. And also at relationship building and strategic, relationship building and strategic outbound lead generation. So it's a pleasure for me to welcome our two speakers.
Alrighty, thank you for that kind introduction. So the topic of the day is, between the two of us here, how to right-size and future-proof a container-first edge AI infrastructure, representing both the hardware layer and the operational application layer. So the message that we're coming to here is that there's more to it, more to running edge AI, be that vision or otherwise at the edge, than the model and the application. Of course, it starts with a model and application. And as you can see, as you walk the show floor, there's a lot of talk around that. There's a lot of vendors around that. But actually making the solutions that you eventually will build based on all these components and all these solutions will result in operating AI at the edge. And of course, the edge is pretty particular compared to the cloud specifically, of course. It's resource constrained, and it definitely requires some afterthought as you build your scalable infrastructure geared towards the specific wants and needs of your application layer. So in this presentation, to be more tangible, we would love to share, or we will share actually, what to consider when you're selecting your edge AI devices, your edge AI physical infrastructure, and what you should take into consideration based on our experience when you manage the life cycle of the edge AI software load or the edge AI applications. And hopefully we will also give you a clear kind of direction advice around how to lay out the components of this kind of best of breed approach to a scalable, secure, durable edge AI stack. So if you all walk out of here feeling enlightened around these topics, we've done our job.